Test the shutoff valve now to avoid hidden leaks after you restore water for a bathroom renovation. Start by fully shutting the valve off and then remove the flexible water supply line where it connects to the valve to inspect the valve seat and packing directly. With the supply line removed, turn the house water on briefly and watch the open valve port for any steady seepage or drips. A single drop every few seconds is already a problem because that will ruin cabinets and finishes over time. If you see any flow, turn the water off and clean the valve threads and stem area, then apply a compatible pipe thread sealant to the male threads of the supply line and to the valve threads if they are tapered, or plan to replace the valve if the leak is coming from the valve stem packing. For a positive test and temporary protection during the renovation, use a compression cap size to 3/8 outside diameter to seal the valve outlet and then reapply water to confirm zero leakage past the valve. Never rely on old rubber gaskets inside the valve because they harden and fail. Replace them or replace the entire shutoff valve with a new quarter-turn ball valve, which provides a firmer closure and simpler testing. If you are unsure which valve type you have, a quarter-turn ball valve is brass with a short handle that turns 90 degrees. It is the most reliable choice for a renovation where the water will be shut and turned on multiple times. A common mistake is trusting a valve that looks closed without testing it under pressure, and the simple fix is to remove the supply line and run the house water briefly to observe for any seepage. Another issue is assuming old compression fittings are still tight. If you see seepage at the nut or an aged ferrule, cut the tubing back and install a new compression fitting or change to a sweat or push fit connection. People also skip using a compression cap or proper thread sealant during the test and then get slow leaks. Prevent that by using a 3/8 outside diameter compression cap on the open valve and applying a rated pipe thread sealant where appropriate before restoring pressure. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for jobs like valve replacement and leak testing, and to help contractors find work with homeowners who need those services. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users share practical tips, ask questions, and post real experiences about plumbing safety and renovation lessons.